welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you my new science kit. It is called Ultimate Earth and Crystal Science Kit. It has 100 plus experiments. Let's open and see what's inside. Oh my god, so many things. Let's see what's inside. There is a bonus manual, instruction manual, and the toolkit, and so many chemicals. Let's see one by one. Vinegar, we need it for other purpose. Baking soda, citric acid, crystal activator, we need it for making crystals, and food colors. There are so many colors. Oh, I forgot to show you the glow powder. Let's see one by one. Red food color, yellow and blue food colors. Next we have rose food essence. Smells so nice. Next we have crystal powder and crystal mix, and once again we have another baking soda. So that's it. Now let's see what's inside the toolkit. The toolkit has a red funnel, a fountain, we need it, a volcano, snowman mold, a measuring cylinder, and cups, and geyser molders, dropper, and a tray. We need it for making any other purposes for volcano and fountains. Let's see what's inside the manual. First, let's see what's inside the instruction manual. We have so many things. Let's see one by one. First, we have bubbling ocean volcano, infinite bubble lava, vinegar volcano blast, lemon volcano, glow volcano, deep sea volcano, multicolor volcano, waterfall, glow waterfall, candy waterfall, freezy fall, colorful geysers, rose geysers, instant snow, snowman, glow snowman, snow wonderland, crystal flakes, seed crystals, colorful crystals, which we are going to do, will take a lot of time, glow crystals, Dead Sea, beach erosion, and many others. Saltwater desalination, make a cloud, colorful rain, making a rainbow, and hurricane in a bottle. That's it. Now let's see in the bonus manual. There are so many experiments like the other manual. Let's see one by one. Soap boat, submarine in a bottle, non-freezing water, floating eggs, color in a snowman, snow rainbow, earthquake proof building, candy erosion, earthquake zones, layer of the soil, rock weathering, glue volcano. Looks interesting. Soda pop explosion, submarine volcano, sugar crystal lollipop, citric acid crystals, sugar crystals. Next, but it takes so many days. Oh my god. Alum crystals, salt crystals, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.